Hi guys, here I are. Well, I promised and she came good with her word, and I got my fridge magnet from Misskritt'S, and wow. Okay, now as we said, we've got to put them on the fridge. So now I've got a problem. I'll show you why. I've got to make space. Let's make space. There you go, darling. Right where I said it. Right in the guts. Good on you, Misskritt'S. Love you, darling. So, the fridge magnet's up there on the fridge. Looks pretty good too. And don't forget to subscribe to Misskritt'S, because she's absolutely #1. She's a good vlogger. Get there, have a look. Don't forget Salty sent you. Bye.